so thick with ancient moss. Twilight burns with crimson fire, dreams consumed in bleeding mire. All who pass must leave behind hope and love once
Rose above in silent flight, guard the bones from mortal sight. Shadows twist through thorn and vine, tracing paths to what's mine.